Hello, and we will be solving the sixth problem on Project Euler. So, we basically have these things, and they're basically sort of the same, except this one they add the numbers squared together, but in this one they add all the numbers together and then square it. Then we have to take the second one taken away by first one and get the answer. So we do have the answer. I did do that a couple of minutes earlier. So we can check if our result is correct. Then like I mentioned in a previous video, if you want to do 100, it has to be 101. Then, to number, we will append I times 2. So this basically just solves this. And we're now going to solve the next section, which will be slightly different. So this first line will be the same, except now we're only going to add I, and then at the end, and then after, well, over here we're going to do and then it's going to square it. So that solves this section. It's just a little bit different because it just goes up to 100 for both of them. So then answer equals the second number take away from the first number, and then we can print the answer. And we've got an answer, and it matches this result, which worked, and it showed a correct symbol. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. I appreciate it when someone does that. Goodbye.